Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Ellie from Fireman Sam. Grab your marker and follow along with me. Today we'll start with her nose. So we're going to draw a half circle, and then on both sides we're going to draw the bottom of the eye, and we're going to draw her mycutetoons style. Two little curves, nice and round on top. Then the pupils, light reflections, and then we can fill the pupils in. Now right below the nose we're going to draw a little smile, and we're going to draw it off to the side with a little cheek there as well. Now we're going to draw the top lip. And I'm not going to draw it very even because her mouth is a bit off to the side, and the bottom lip as well, like that. And then on both sides I'm just going to make two dots, and that's going to be my jawline. I'm going to take the jaw down, and on this side I'll take it back up again. And then from there you can draw an ear and another ear sticking out. And now we're going to jump to the top, and we're going to draw the hair. So we're just going to draw a fringe, a few pieces of hair coming out like this. On this side, maybe a piece of hair sticking in. And now we're going to go down to the sideburns, back to the ear. On this side, we're going to do the same thing, back to the ear. And now we're going to draw the head. I'm going to start on this side first, and I'm just going to draw, and I'm going to connect it to the ear. And then the top of the head on this side, nice and round. And then you connect it to the ear as well. Now for the neck. Just going to draw the neck out first. And before we go on, let's do the collar. I'm just going to make it nice and round, nice curve. And we're going to draw the collar on both sides going up. Now from here, before we do the shoulders, or let's do the shoulders first. I'll just make the shoulders about the same, just like that. Now we can start with the torso, and right up here I'm just going to make sort of a dress shape going out like this. We're going to make it nice and round at the bottom, and that's a jacket. It's actually a coat. Now from there we can draw the belt. Now I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm just going to make a U and then an upside down U. And I'm just going to connect it like this. And then in the middle you can draw a little ball. You're going to draw a little block here, and on the other side we're going to draw another block, and we're going to connect it as well. There we go. Now up here there's a little square that we're going to color white, and a little emblem on a chest. I'll just make it round on top, connect it back, and maybe just two lines there as well. And here at the bottom there's a white stripe going through a blue jacket as well. So we'll just draw the white stripe there as well. And now we can finish off with the arms. I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to draw the arm and connect it back. And on this side I'm going to draw the arm, and I'm going to connect it back. Then just at the sleeve we have a white stripe, and on this side we have a white stripe as well. And you can just draw a bowl shape, which would be her hands. There we go. Good, and now we're going to start with the bottom. Now I'm just going to draw a line down for how long I want my legs. And then on this side I'm going to start with the top, and I'm going to draw a knee, and I'm just going to copy it as well on this side as well. And then we're just going to draw a line out and another line out. Now we can draw the shoe. We can make it nice and round, and on this side I'm going to draw the shoe as well. Bring it back, maybe connect it, And then here do the same thing as well. Okay, and there we go, the bottom of the pants as well. And now just for the soles of the shoes, and I'll do the same thing on this side as well. And then for the heel, you can just draw the heel as well, there, connect it back to the shoe and connect it back. And there we have Ellie. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.